Howdy folks, it's Brian from Spookyoulaterz. Alright, check this out, man. I have a creepy looking doll right here. Anybody know what kind of doll that is? That's a naked doll. That's right, she's haunted. Well, she's not haunted yet, but I'm going to turn her into a haunted doll. This is an Oopsy Daisy Doll from 1989. My wife had one of these dolls when she was a kid, and unfortunately their house burned down, and so she lost this doll. So, for our anniversary and things like that, she decided she wanted to get that as a gift to herself. So she purchased this. Now, what's different about this one, there's a manufacturer defect. And I want you guys to, I would say comment down below, but we know that ain't going to happen. Not on my channel. But I'll put this in my community tab section. You can comment there. Who do you think this doll is going to be made over into? But she works. She does all this good stuff. And we're going to do a makeover. I wanted to do it over the week, this past week, but we lost power. You know, all heard all about the storm and all that good stuff. So that's something, because my wife was off for almost a week, but it is what it is. But check this out. Oh, running out of space. Man, that's some Silent Hill stuff there. Let's flip her head back. Whoa. But anyways, maybe that'll give you a little clue what I'm going to convert this doll into. Alright, so I'm going to turn her off before she drops dead here. She's going to do it again, watch. Ah! Whoa! That's some Silent Hill shit right there. But that doesn't mean I'm turning into a Silent Hill. So make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit that bell, because this doll is going to be really cool when I'm done with her. All right, so hang tight, be cool, be kind, and see you soon.